Hey again, this is my progress so far, and it's looking pretty cool. Uh, as you can see, it's like I feel like I'm molding it up from the junk, and that's pretty cool. It's coming up better than I expected. Um, as you see, he got that power claw on that side. Then he got the big gun on this side. And then I already figure out I'm not gonna put a flashlight. It's just too much to deal with, and I just want to just have it up and running and fast as possible. And see, that's the eye right there, and then that's gonna go on there once I get it painted. And it's pretty good. I'm gonna make him like doing this weird running motion when I finally get him done. Yeah. To rebuild everything, his yeah. Yep, this is just a progress video.